Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel The Beauty Bliss. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all this Navratri makeup look, and the look is inspired by the colors of this Navratri season, and as this is the look for day 1, so the color is white. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first I'm going to use this Neutriderm's moisturizer with vitamin E, and I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck area. This look is not going to be definitely white color look, but it's going to be a nude look as you must have seen in the previous clips. Now I'm going to use this illuminating moisturizer from Shimmer Cosmetics, and I'm again going to apply it all over my face. I'm trying to make my base look more glowy and natural. This illuminating moisturizer is adding up that natural glow to my skin. Now I'm going to use this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, and my shade is 330. So I'm going to apply this foundation in dots all over my face and neck area. Then I'm going to blend this foundation with help of a brush. This video is going to be part of Navratri series 2022, and this is the look 1 and part 1 that I'm sharing today. There will be more looks coming up in next few days, and those looks will be dedicated to that particular color of this Navratri season. To watch all upcoming Navratri makeup look, you have to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification just beside the subscribe button, so you will get notified every time when I post a new Navratri video. Now I'm using my one of the favorite concealer from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to conceal my under eye, over my eyelids, area near my mouth and near my nose. To set my base makeup, I'm going to use this banana powder from Mars, and I'm going to apply it all over my face, but going to use only less quantity, and then I'm going to dab with help of this puff that I've received from this powder. For eye makeup, I'm going to start with this Pigment Play palette, and I'm going to use this brown color, and I'm going to apply that color on my crease area. After this, I'm going to use this shimmer pink shade from the same palette, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids, and I'm going to use my fingers to apply that color. Now I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that eyeshadow only on the shimmer area. Now I'm going to create wing eyeliner with help of this eyeliner from Shimmer Cosmetics. To complete this eye look, I'm going to use this mascara from Shimmer Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply it on my upper lashes and also on my lower lashes. For the blush, I'm going to use this lip and cheek tint from Neutriderm, and I'm going to apply that on my cheeks and on my nose. Now I'm blending this blush with help of my fingers. For lipstick, I'm going to use this lipstick palette from Mars, and over here I'm going to mix two lipstick. One is red and other one was dark pink kind of color, and after mixing, first I have outlined my lips, and after that I'm going to fill my lips with that same color. This whip palette is so good that you can customize your shade according to your choice. So to complete the look, I'm going to add this detail with the white eyeliner, and yes, with that the look is completed. So this is the final look. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed this video and this look for day 1 of Navratri. If you like this look, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below if you're going to try this look or not. So I'll see you guys in next look, that is part 2 of this series. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thanks for watching.